up a Baxi 400, it could be 200 as well, with an EPH4 start. We're going to wire up to OpenTherm because it's more efficient that way, but you can wire it up just on an off switch. So you go through quickly, light neutral nerve, so that goes into the white block, just easy to pull out, right into there. Big block we're not going to use, it's 240 switch for thermostat. What we're going to use, it's the OpenTherm, this and one here. As you can see, it's a link on both, so you want to just remove the link whichever you're going to use, leave the link in. So we're going to leave the 240 link in, I'm going to remove the OpenTherm link and provide in there. The two connector points, it's Combi boiler, so it's no point in this one, but this is a tank sensor, and the other one it's the outdoor sensor, it's for the compensation. So I'm going to turn this other way around and start to wire it up. So we've got a white block, put the line neutral already, strip the cables, ready to put the wires in, show live there. This is coming from a fuse spur, 3 on fuse. Many times find the fuse not being swapped over. It's a 13 on fuse in the fuse spur, which is not going to protect the boiler if there's any issue. So I'm making sure swap the fuse spur over. I'm not saying engineers won't do that, sometimes the electricians just leave it as it is. Bad practice. So anytime you can't check the boiler for service, you just quickly, obviously safe isolation, you have to remove it anyway, but you know what I mean. So that goes in, just press it in, and grey and black doesn't matter, there's no polarity here. So I just undo the screws. And go, and one goes in. I think I'll stick a little bit back. Sticks out the wash. Don't seem nice. Just keep the threads a bit together. Don't forget where your screwdriver is. If you never could see, don't cover the camera too much. Go, so OpenTherm gone camera, so that's the low voltage section. High voltage section, never mix up the two. And then the wiring is on. A bit tricky, this I like to put. Don't miss the two wires. You should just quickly go for it. Neutral, live, earth. If you do earlier, why don't you show it again? Neutral, live, earth, and this one is for OpenTherm low voltage connection. If you do, you see, this is upside down, so you have to kind of reverse think, and this makes it a little more awkward. So neutral, obviously if you turn it around there will be that side, and live, and then OpenTherm there. There's not much news. Well, when you do boiler, you throw away the 13 ohm fuse. The 3 ohm pin. A lot of time I'll find the 13 ohm pin fuse curve, which is not going to protect the boiler. And don't forget to swap it over. Yeah, earth loop tests and polarity checks with so you can see. I've changed to voiceover because the boiler was doing a de-airing mode, and it was making the sound really awful. You couldn't hear me at all. So I'm just looking for earthing point, and then I'll hook up the two probes into the ports. It's all in live, so just need to be careful what we're doing really. So the earth is already connected to the boiler housing, and then just neutral goes to the obviously neutral side of it, and the live goes to the live side of it. There you go. Just put it in. You can see it's all green, so it's all showing okay. And then I press the loop test. It takes a while, and then it's all showing green. If the lights move towards the orange and red, usually orange, I'll just maybe ask the electrician what he says, but red, definitely to call the electrician out and check the earth in the property. So that was all. Hope it helped. Yeah, not really sure when we're gonna upload the next one, but come and check back whenever you feel. See you in the next time. And don't forget to contact us if you in Leeds area. We're happy to help out with any plumbing or gas work.